Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can watch YouTube TV on your Meta Quest. So if you are using a Meta Quest and you want to watch YouTube TV, so Meta Quest does not have a native application for YouTube TV. What you can do is you can simply go to the native browser of your Meta Quest, and when you are on the browser you can type in the utv.youtube.com link, and then the YouTube TV will show up and you can watch the YouTube TV from there on. You can also click on the options and request the web view, and then YouTube TV is going to work just like the native app on the Meta Quest 3. So this is how you can watch the YouTube TV on your Meta Quest 3. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.